Got dentures? Tired of them moving around constantly? Or maybe you try not to eat in public to prevent embarrassment. You might think there isn't another option, but you'd be wrong. If your dentures shift, cause pain, or make speaking difficult, snap-in implant overdentures could be the solution you've been looking for. Unlike traditional dentures, snap-in implant overdentures provide incredible stability by anchoring directly to implants in your jawbone. This means no more shifting or discomfort. With snap-in overdentures, you can eat what you love, speak clearly, and reclaim your confidence to smile in public. At Shady Spring Dental Care, we're dedicated to helping you find the best solution for your needs, ensuring you feel more comfortable and secure, which is why we offer multiple options for snap-in implant dentures to make it affordable for almost everyone. Ready to experience the freedom of snap-in implant overdentures? Visit Shady Spring Dental Care online or call us now. Your confident smile is just a call away.